In your time in college so far, have you ever felt like you were alone? Especially now that we're in this online situation and it's hard to go out and talk to others. Wouldn't it be nice to know that there's ways to deal with this? Hi, my name is Juliana Rae O and Esteban, and today I will be talking about coping with loneliness. This is going to be coming from some research that I've done as well as my own experience. In talking about coping with loneliness, I will be discussing ways to keep connection with past friends and family, trying new things, and meeting new people. So firstly, I'd like to talk about keeping connections. In Huber Gonzalez's article, Friend Focused, Maintaining Long-Distance Friendships and Relationships in College, he states that going to college doesn't mean losing your friends. And in order to maintain these friendships, you could use online messaging. This could be as simple, "How are you doing?" to check up on what's going on in their life, or it could be sending them a meme that you think they'd find funny. In my own life, my best friend and I, we try to send each other TikToks of random videos that we'd like to try with each other someday. And keeping these connections with people who you've known in the past can remind you that you're not alone. Gonzalez gives examples as to how we can continue to keep these connections even though there may be some sort of distance between us. And it's so important that we keep these connections because if these people have been there for you in the past, they'll continue to be there for you in your future. So now that we've discussed keeping connections with your past friends and family, I'd like to move on to discuss trying new things. So my second point is that you should try new things. Marian Fisher, Delilah Geffen, Walter Krotz, Greta Winograd, and Rachel Futtersack-Goldberg's in their article Development and Validation of the College Campus Environment Scale, Promoting Positive College Experiences, have explained that trying new activities can positively affect a student's life and their involvement. It gives students the opportunity to go out. And now I know that may be sort of difficult right now, but you can find activities via Zoom or Discord. And our campus has a great resource called Coyote Connect, which allows us to be able to find clubs or different activities on campus and allow us to connect with others in our community. You can also try new athletics, extracurriculars, or take on leadership roles, which all help you to find commonalities with other people in the community. Trying new things is just one way that you can put yourself out there and build connections with new people. So now that we've discussed ways that you could keep connection with people from your past as well as try new activities, I'd like to move on to discuss with you meeting new people. My last point is that you should try to meet new people. And in Julie Parks and Nicholas A. Brauman's article, Religion as Bridging or Bonding Social Capital, Race, Religion, and Cross-Racial Interactions for College Students, they show how there are positive effects to meeting people outside of your normal group. Back in high school, you probably had one or two groups that you mainly hang out with because you all had similar interests. Now you're in this college campus where everyone has different majors, different backgrounds, and there's so many opportunities to build new connections with people. You don't ever have to be alone in what you do. And some ways to meet new people are talking to others in your classes or meeting people through clubs. I've recently found there's groups on Instagram that are part of our campus, as well as forming group me's with people in your major. In my own life, I was able to find a group me with a bunch of other nursing students, and we have several different categories of different classes that we have to take or subjects that we're taking, and we get to talk about them with each other. And we give each other support through our midterms and our homework and assignments, and we overall just have that continued connection despite not meeting each other in person. So now that we've finished talking about meeting new people, this draws me to my conclusion. So in conclusion, we've talked so far about ways that you can try to keep connections with people in your past, try new things, or even meet new people. So hopefully you were able to take something out of this and remember that you are not alone. Despite all the difficulties that may have come with the quarantine, I hope you are still able to stay strong during these times. So thank you so much for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.